3, 2, 1, go. 40, 1 right. 130. 1 left. Continues for 80 to 3 left. 150. 1 right continues for 150. At 60, 3 left. Into 1 right. Continues for 150. Into 4 left half long. At 60, 3 left. 40, 1 right long. And 60 down, 3 left into 4 right. And 2 right long. And 40, 1 left. 100 down. 1 left into 6 right. And 3 left. 200 down. Turn, hairpin right. 130. 3 left over crest. And 5 right. Into hairpin left long, tightens late. $80. 3 right, tightens into turn, hairpin right. 100. 3 right. 40, 3 right. And 40, 3 left. And 60 over crest into 2 left. Continues to 100. And 4 right cut. And 200 on middle. Small crest into 5 right, tightens through dip. 100. 4 left long, don't cut.
Is this the one?
Yep, this is the one. 150. 1 left. 80. 1 left over small crest. And 40, 2 right. And 40, 3 left through dip, don't cut. And 1 right over crest, 130. 3 right. And 2 left, continues for 80. Tightens into 4 left. And crest, 5 right in. Opens to 1 right long. 100 down, 4 left late. And 60, 3 left. 170. Small crest and 40, turn square left, don't cut. And 3 right. And 60, turn hairpin left, meet. And 2 right. And 1 left over crest. 250. 3 left. And 4 right long late. $80. 1 right. And 80, 6 right. Into 4 right, opens, continues to 100. 80. Hairpin left, opens neat. 200. 1 right over crest. And 60, 1 left long over crest. 130, caution. 6 right long, tightens in.
This one?
Yeah, this one. At 40, 6 right over crest in. At 40, hairpin left. Into 5 left. Into 5 right. Into 2 left. 40, 1 left half long. At 60, 2 right tightens over crest. 60, 1 left over crest. And 2 right long into 4 right don't cut. 2 right long, 4 right don't cut. 150. 1 right long. 170.
Chicane.
1 left, nearly. And then 200 chicane. So 200 chicanes, turn right. $250. Middle over crest bump, 100. It's 100, 3 right through post into turn, hairpin left. $80. 1 left. 150. 3 left. At 40. 1 left into 2 right. And 40, 5 right, don't cut. Into 4 left. And turn hairpin right. 40. 4 right tightens into 6 right. And hairpin left. And 6 right opens long. And 6 left. Into 5 right opens, don't cut. Into 2 right long opens. And 60. 1 left over crest. 100, 1 right over bump, and 40, 2 left long, into 5 right tightens at tree, into 6 right late, and 60, 2 left, dip into 2 right half long, and 40, 3 left long over crest, 170, 3 right, 170, hairpin left neat, don't cut, 150, 5 right, and crest 40 down, 6 left long, and open hairpin right long, and 60. The re-right tightens over crest, and 40, 2 right, and 40, 6 right, 130. Turn, open hairpin left neat. And 3 right long. 40. 5 right into 3 left, don't cut. And 4 right opens long. 100. Small crest into 2 right and 2 left. Sorry, 2 left and 2 right continues to 100. Into hairpin left tightens. $80. 2 left and 40. 3 right half long and 40. 4 right. And 3 left, turn, hairpin right tightens. And 60. 3 left don't cut, tightens into hairpin left. And 6 right opens long. 80. 1 left. And 60. 6 right long tightens. And 3 left. And 1 right long. 40. 1 left over small crest. 80 over small crest. 4 left. And 150 through finish.